Meaning of horror-struck.
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 Horror-struck. The term horror-struck refers to a state of extreme fear or terror in which a person is virtually paralyzed with fright. The word struck suggests that this fear is so overwhelming that it hits the person like a physical blow, leaving them stunned and unable to react. A horror-struck individual may experience physical symptoms such as trembling, sweating, or hyperventilating. Their thoughts may race with imagined terrors, and they may feel a sense of impending doom. Overall, being horror-struck is an intense and deeply unsettling experience that can leave a lasting impact on the individual.